Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Hello and welcome, dear students, to the second part of the lesson about prefixes and suffixes. In this video, we'll be dealing with suffixes and exercises on both prefixes and suffixes. What are suffixes? A suffix is a group of letters we add to the end of a word, and suffixes, of course, change the meaning of the word. For example, kind, we add ness, it becomes kindness, and it is changed from an adjective to a noun. So it's a different part of speech. The nurse was greatly kind, and this means that the nurse showed great kindness. So we changed kind here into kindness. After her run, Miss Kemp was tired. After her run, Miss Kemp was full of tiredness. Again, it's a noun derived from the adjective tired. If you are careless, your work will be full of mistakes. Careless. The word careless itself consists of a root word, care, and a suffix, which is less. So careless means without care. Carelessness in your work means it will be full of mistakes. So careless as an adjective has been changed into a noun, which is carelessness. And now the suffix shib. Jerry was a good friend of Monty, which means Jerry had a strong friendship with Monty. So friend was changed into friendship, and in this case a noun was changed into a noun but with a different meaning. Another example of the suffix shib. Paul has a work partner in class. Paul has a work partnership with another person in the class. Let's use the suffix ness for these words. So tired will become tiredness. Wicked will become wickedness. Childish will become childishness. Willing will become willingness, and careless will be carelessness. Fit will be fitness. What about these words? Yes, we are going to add the suffix shib to these root words. So friend will be friendship. Craftsman will be craftsmanship. Sponsor will be sponsorship. And hard will be hardship. Member, membership. And lord, lordship. What about the following words? Is it shib or ness? Yeah, you're right. Member will be membership. Hard will be hardship. Kind will become kindness. Lady will be ladyship. Like will be likeness. And good will become goodness. Wicked, wickedness. Fit, fitness. But citizen will become citizenship. Now we start with some exercises about prefixes and suffixes. We start with some Latin and Greek prefixes. How many words can you think of that begin with the prefix auto, for example? Yeah, autobiography. What else? You're right. And here are a few suggestions. Autograph, automobile, and automatic. What do you think auto means? It means self. That's right. Can you think of any words that begin with the prefix by? By means to. Yeah, bicycle. And did you think of any of these words? Biceps, bilingual, which means speaking two languages, biplane, biped, and bifocals. What does by mean? It means two or twice. Now I ask you a question. Can you match each prefix to its meaning? Let's do it together. Micro. What does micro mean? It means small. Perfect. Circum. Like circumference. It means round. Yes, you're right. What about tele? Like in telescope. It means far. Perfect. What about bi? It means two or twice. So it's two. Aqua. Aqua means across or means water? It means water, like aqualung. And finally, trans. It means across. You're right. Perfect. Well done. Let's have another quiz on prefixes. What does the boundary of a circle mean? It means circumference, so we're going to choose circum. Perfect. A tiny living being will be, yes, you're right, it will be a microbe or a microorganism. An instrument which makes distant objects appear closer will be a telescope. Perfect. An event taking place every 2 years. So that's every 2 years. You're going to choose bi, of course, which means biannual. Biannual. An apparatus for breathing underwater will be an aqualung. Very good. What does assembled spectators or listeners mean? You're right, audience. Now, what does move to another place or situation mean? Transplant, yes. When you transplant an organ from one body to another, we call it transplant. Finally, basic or relating to an earlier, less civilized period or culture. It means primitive. Yeah, very good. And you scored 8 out of 8. Now answer the following question. Choose the word that belongs in the blank. It was, space, ill possible, impossible, impossible, or impossible to sleep because of the noise. You're right, it was impossible.